them together with my chip clip, and it broke and everything's falling apart. Good morning! It's about noon time. It's a little past noon. Oh gosh, come on, let's throw this away. I slept until noon. I really don't know what time I went to sleep, but it wasn't extremely late. Okay, let's get another chip clip. Okay, this is a green one. Hello, it's better. Or, yeah, that's even better. Okay, hi. Hi. So, I get to sit here on the couch and drink coffee and probably watch a couple YouTube videos. I just started Tati's new one about her new product, the kiwi thingy. I'm always curious about those, but I don't really know what's supposed to be wrong with my skin in order to notice a big difference. You mentioned hydrating and redness, and I do feel like I have dry, kind of red skin. I don't know. If I do that, I'll video it, but I feel like it's going to be out of my price range at the moment. My hair is ratchet. If anybody wants to do anything to it, we could probably arrange that. Ow. Oh, watch this. I noticed a streak earlier. I got a streak, like, it's not even, I don't understand. Chlorine? So I haven't been filming that much. I was at the pool for a couple days in a row, and it just didn't seem like a very safe thing since my phone's already fallen apart to, like, make it a poolside situation. Oh, coffee is so good, y'all. Oh, coffee makes me happy. Okay, today I'm going to clean the litter box and take out the trash. Run the dishwasher. And I woke up hurting all over my whole body. I feel like, even the tip top of my head. So I feel like I want to go get some things. Like, I really do. I've been meaning to 3 or 4 times already, and it's just the leaving my house part. That's like, just actually, it's not so much walking out the door, getting ready to walk out the door. It's that there's all those stairs when I leave my house, and then I have to walk a long way to my car. And then I don't know where anything is, so I have to find a place and then do a lot of walking there. And walk all the way back to my car and then park and walk. It's just, I also have to do laundry. I don't think I can do all those things today, but we'll see. I'm going to try. It's hard. Hey, honeys. I don't have my lipstick on yet. Honestly, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about lips. I think I might go out and have an adult beverage tonight with a friend or two that I've made in the last couple of weeks. We made some chicken the other night, and I didn't realize they put some of that in there. So that's where the smell is, right there. If anybody was wondering, I brought it outside. But anyway, I used another awesome highlighter again. I'll show a picture. If I knew how to insert one, I would just do that, but I don't know how to do that yet using Splice. I have an iPhone. If anyone knows what I should use instead of Splice to edit my videos, let me know. Also, this phone's coming apart, so I might be getting a totally different phone, so it really doesn't matter. What you doing, Freya? Hey. What's going on? Oh. Okay, hi. So anyway, I got eyeshadow using the ColourPop Magic palette. I'll show some of that, and I'll also show the other one I love so much. I love the highlight on it. It's eyeshadow, but it has that purple Duochrome white thing. It's really cool. Anyway, I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. I did something new where I'm literally wearing no foundation. It may be obvious to you, but I don't know. I just put primer on and a little concealer and a little powder, and I wasn't planning on going in that much with the eyes, but it was kind of dark in there, and I really love this eyeshadow. I'm just out on the balcony. Holy crap. Freya, you could have gone out the door. Let's go get her. I came outside to see Freya, and I found a... Oh, no, you can't. That's for me. A dandelion thing. Is that what these are? Can you see that? You're supposed to make a wish and then blow them all away. I don't even know what I would wish for right now. If I have two little sprouts hanging off, does that mean it won't come true? No. Wow, there's just lights everywhere. What is that? I think those are headlights. Well, I'm hungry. Hey. Where are you going, Freya? Are we going for a walk? Let's go for a walk. That's a dog. Are we going for a walk tonight? Hey, Freya. We're going for a walk. What are you doing? What are you doing? Your tail's cute. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? Are you waiting on me? Good girl. Good girl. Hey, good morning. It's like Saturday at around noon, and I just woke up. Yeah, thank you, kitty cat. About to have coffee. And hung out with a friend last night, and I was supposed to have breakfast with my neighbor today, and I overslept, so I hate that. Anyway, I did do the dishes yesterday, and I did, what else did I do? I did something else that I was gonna do. I got the mail. Anyway, I did wash the dishes, so that's good. Okay. Hey, honeys. So, I woke up around noonish today, and I guess I fell asleep watching something scary on YouTube for, like, after I don't know, maybe around 3, and I've woken up at 8:30 and it's dark outside. So I'm making coffee again. I can't believe I've only been awake for 3 hours today. I don't do that every day. But my dishes are clean, and I have my groceries ordered. I need to pick them up tomorrow. So, yeah, that happened. I'm wearing the lip plumper I made. If you notice that my lips look extra fabulous for some reason. Also, I've watched YouTube videos on this, but I want to know what you guys think about how I need to get rid of these things right here. I've heard of freezing a spoon, keeping spoons in the freezer, and like putting them under your eyes, and that it just depuffs you after waking up. I think I might try that. I don't have any frozen right now, but I'll put some in the freezer for the next time I wake up. We'll see if there's a difference, but I just can't stop looking at these bags. I've never been on a plane before, but I have a feeling if I tried to get on a plane with these bags. Alright, this sun is so bright, I literally cannot see the screen, anything in front of me. I'm aware my face is not in the shot because that's not the point of this part of the video. It's this. Do you see this? I think it's called SYZYGY, although I feel strongly that that's not actually a word and I want to know more about what that means. Look, can you move it? I think I did a video about this. I know I've done pictures, but it's a Comet Crush Chameleon Glow eyeshadow palette. And when you open it up, it looks like this. This white color here is the one I like to use as a highlighter on my cheeks, actually. But we're going to swatch these. That is Mock Moon. I literally cannot see the screen. I don't even know if you can see what I see. Phosphine. Those two are very light. Chatoyant? I don't know. This one is green. Look how pretty. This red one here is called Halo. Ooh. I don't know if that's even in the video. This gorgeous blue color is called Nebula. It's so soft. Look at that! Look at it! Okay. I love this one. It's one of my favorite colors I've ever seen anywhere in any palette ever. It's called Nova. When you swatch it, it's so soft. It is kind of reddish brown. The ColourPop, the one I call the Magic palette, although it clearly says all I see is magic. Honestly, I don't even know if my video is working or if this is kind of just a reflection from my phone. I sort of see this moving up and down. The names of the colors are on the back. I don't like that, just that's too much work to be able to read the name of the color, so I don't usually even look at those when they're on the back. I don't know how to read this. So this is either Tinseltown, if it's this one over here, or this one is Pitter Patter. Look how pigmented that is. Well, I know for sure this one's called Something Special because it's in the middle. Swatch this one. This one right here, which is either called Never Never or Save It for Later. That's soft. That's foiled. It's beautiful. It's pigmented. It's buttery. It blends itself. Look how pretty. This other one is this really dark one here, which is either Never Never or Save It for Later.